This is Akron Media Production Sports Swap. I'm here with Muira for tennis.
Hi.
And Hunter for lacrosse.
Hello.
So, Muira, can you throw a lacrosse ball?
I don't think so.
Well, we'll have to find out. Can you even remotely hit a tennis ball?
Yes, I can.
Can you?
Yes.
Are you sure? Okay, who do you think will be better at each other's sports?
I think Hunter will probably be better at my sport.
I think Hunter will probably be better at Muira's sport.
Let's find out.
This is how you shoot and score.
Oh, I'm gonna.
Oh!
Am I good?
Oh!
Oh.
I mean, honestly, it could have been worse. All right. You got it?
I can't. Oh, shoot.
Oh, so close. Wait, try it again. Try it again. Oh, whoa, my God.
There you go.
You do?
Oh, shoot. Ah.
Oh! Okay.
So, how did lacrosse go?
I think it went pretty well. I definitely can't do the behind the back one, but I think besides that, I did okay.
I think you did great. I'm surprised you actually caught the ball when I threw it. I wasn't expecting that.
Me to serve?
Yeah, go ahead.
Go.
Oh, that's easy. Come on.
That's not a serve. You want to go like down, up, hit. Yeah, like basically.
Oh, I faked you out, Muira.
You didn't even hit to the right side. You got to go cross court.
How was tennis?
I think it was rigged and I was set up for failure, but other than that, I think I did pretty good.
I think you set yourself up for failure.
No, I think I'm pretty good at tennis.
Do you?